Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on my channel. My name is Crypto. Thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video on the channel. Guys, I just arrived home here. I was looking at the charts here, and this is looking so strong here that I thought, okay, let me make right away an update video for you guys. So guys, if you're in Bitcoin and an Ethereum holder, you should be definitely watching this video till the end, because in this video, we will be going into our specific price target for Bitcoin and Ethereum for the coming days here. Because yes, guys, we are finally seeing this breakthrough for Bitcoin coming in here. And of course, this breakthrough finally coming in here for Bitcoin can be finally giving us a signal that we can be seeing some higher prices. So yes, I do feel extremely excited about Bitcoin. And of course, yesterday in the stream, we were discussing a possibility for a bullish divergence on the daily candles. And guys, look at the significance right now playing out here. Bitcoin, of course, forming this bullish divergence on the daily candles. And right away, we are seeing Bitcoin, of course, increasing so significantly in such a rapid pace here. So is this a thing that is likely to expect here once you're seeing a bullish divergence on the daily? Yes, and of course as well, guys, we are finally seeing a divergence playing out on the daily. Yes, we've been seeing divergence on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, but right now, yes, we are seeing a confirmation of a bullish divergence on the daily candles, and that is, of course, giving us a signal. Yes, Bitcoin can be looking for some higher prices because it is currently giving us a reversal signal, and that is, of course, the main reason why I do feel extremely excited about it. And that is, of course, also the main reason why it is currently moving a little bit higher from here on. And besides that, guys, we were also discussing this critical downward sloping resistance line over here. This is a downward sloping resistance line that was pushing down the price for Bitcoin multiple days here on the 4-hourly chart. You can see we are having a lot of touch points on this level. And yeah, right now, since seeing the breakthrough of this level, we can be definitely looking for some higher prices because we finally broke the downward trend here. We finally broke through the downward trend here. And besides that, guys, I always talk about the RSI a lot here on the channel. And what is for me very important to see here is that the RSI is trading above the 50 average level. So let me go right away into the coordinates and let me set this one on 50. And guys, if I look to a historic, if I just look to historic data, and if I look to this, guys, always once we're trading above the 50, once we're entering above the 50, we are starting a new leg up period. We are starting a bullish period. So yeah, we were seeing it plenty enough times here. We were seeing it in the past over here. We were breaking above it on the 8th of April, and since then we were having more bullish momentum. Once breaking below it, you had more bearish momentum. Once breaking above it, more bullish momentum, and that is just exactly how it works for the past days, for the past weeks here. And right now seeing, of course, this RSI once again peaking above the 50 index here for Bitcoin is looking very good here. Of course, yes, guys, the 4-hourly candle close is still 3 hours and 21 minutes away here right now. So yeah, we still have to wait for the confirmation, but I mean the first reversal signs are already here, and it is definitely looking very strong and very bright in my opinion. And as well, yeah, like I told you before, we are finally seeing the breakthrough of this level. The next target that I will be looking for the next major level that Bitcoin really want to be breaking through here for you guys that are maybe watching right now will be the 40.2k here. 40.2 towards the 42k will be an extremely important level here of this bull box over here. You can see previous all-time high, of course, will be right now just providing us insane resistance. I already know that. Of course, don't anticipate that Bitcoin is going to easily smash through it. Yes, guys, I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin, especially because we are breaking this downtrend right now, and we can be maybe still see a minor cool getting formed here. But will it be very significant? No, I don't think so, because yeah, we are just having the biggest momentum wave already done here. And yesterday we were also on the channel talking about a Pacific pattern we can also be playing out here. And let me go to a clean chart here. Let me remove all the drawings here. And yesterday we were looking at a Pacific pattern that can be unfolding here on the bigger chart. And this is, of course, a falling wedge. And if you look at the falling wedge pattern here, guys, you can be looking for a potential price target around the, let me say this correctly, 41.1k here. And that's, of course, from the point that we're currently trading on, still a 6% increase. So yes, I still will be saying this, even though that we are already going pretty good towards the upside here. I will be definitely saying, yeah, we will be seeing some more higher prices in the coming hours as well here. So yeah, I do feel very excited about it. But guys, then let me talk a little bit about Ethereum, because yes, if we look to the average past 7 days here, how it has been performing, it has absolutely been bleeding compared to Bitcoin. But right now, guys, we are finally seeing Ethereum bouncing, trading once again around the $2,460. And this, of course, is a very critical bounce here. And that is the reason, guys, that we were saying this yesterday to you guys. If you are not willing to accumulate around these levels, you're just going to miss it out. And of course, yesterday was, in hindsight, it's always in hindsight, an extremely good buying opportunity. that we were already anticipating it on the channel. We are not going to be bearish once Bitcoin is oversold. We're not going to be bearish once everyone is in fear. Always, once everyone is in fear, I will be in greed. That is just how I am, and that is, of course, how I'm crushing the market. So Ethereum is looking particularly good as well here. Of course, Ethereum is following Bitcoin, and you can see it right away here. Bitcoin is pumping, and Ethereum is just following in a more rapid pace here. And of course, that's very lovely to see here, because on the 1 hourly time frame, you was looking for this downward sloping resistance line over here, multiple touch points, and on the exact moment that we were breaking through. And unfortunately, I couldn't stream here because I was flying here back to the Netherlands. And I mean, you can see over here, we exactly touched this level, and since then we were just creating more volatility towards the upside. And guys, the thing that I want to just quickly ask you guys, if you're still watching, make sure to type 123 in the chat here, because then you're of course a true legend. And don't forget as well to smash up that like button. Let's go for 600 likes on this video. Will be amazing if we can reach it. And guys, I mean, for Ethereum, it is just also looking particularly good here, because yes, Ethereum was also forming some kind of a same pattern, not really the beautiful falling wedge scenario that what Bitcoin was doing here, because yeah, we were creating a falling wedge, but it was not as beautiful as on Bitcoin. And of course as well, there are still some horizontal levels that we can be looking for, especially this level over here. If you set up this level over here that we are currently trading on, this is definitely an insane level of 4-hour resistance. You can see here previous support, right now flipping into resistance, and right now we are retesting it in a V-shaped recovery. So is the chance high that we are going to see a correction? Yeah, there's definitely a possibility that we're going to correct from here on. And of course, if we're really going to correct, are we really going to go lower? No, I don't definitely think so, because Bitcoin is still looking strong, and it will be in the end still following Bitcoin. But yeah, if we can still close the 4-hourly candle above this $2,435 guys, this will be also signifying that we are sending a higher high right now. And of course, this is the first reversal signal for a new uptrend that is getting started. And besides that, guys, the reason why I also feel very excited about this, and let me disable this indicator, not this moving average. I want to be enabling the MACD here real quickly, and let me disable the MACD strategy. But you can see on the MACD here, on the past hours, guys, the 4-hourly candles are looking as well pretty good here. And the reason why I'm saying this here is you can see here, the 4-hourly candles, we are starting to set a higher low structure, and as well a higher high structure is getting formed over here. Besides that, guys, we are also seeing a bullish crossover right now playing out here on the for hourly MACD on the price action of Ethereum, what is also looking particularly good here. Yes, the daily is still definitely in a downtrend, but yeah, it's first the 4-hourly that's going to reverse, and after that it will be the daily candles that will be following. But yeah, we can be definitely looking for some cool fear towards the upside, and you can see it as well in the MACD currently. It is currently giving us a signal that we are about to top out here. So yeah, you do want to be prepared for this, and I do think that we can be seeing some more upwards momentum coming into the play for Ethereum, at least here. And I mean, if you're talking about exact price targets, guys, I mean, I will be not giving you exact price targets if we're going to, if I'm talking about a specific pattern, because yeah, we are not seeing a specific pattern right now playing out here. But what we can be looking at for, what we can be looking out for is, of course, this next downward slope and resistance line that we can be running into anytime in the coming days here, because this is, of course, also an important downward slope and resistance line that we are currently have to look at. This one has also approximately 4 touch points over here, and of course, we're about to touch it another time here. So, of course, I will be keeping my eyes out on the Ethereum chart, and once seeing something very interesting, I will be definitely keeping you guys up to date about what we can be doing here in terms of a trade or in terms of a possibility to open a position. And you can see as well over here, we are, of course, crushing through the blue box here, previously resistance, and since breaking above it, yeah, you right away, smash towards the upside. And even, guys, you can be even approaching this one. If we're flipping this one to the 30 minutes here, you can be even approaching this one. And I'm just literally seeing this right now, of course. You can be even approaching this one as a head and shoulders, an inverse head and shoulders. And you can see it's a pretty nice inverse head and shoulders. And of course, the inverse head and shoulders target for the price action of Ethereum will be from the point of the breakout, sitting on $2,673. And of course, it is looking like a particularly, nice pattern, of course, what is currently playing out here. So, yeah, we can be maybe seeing the $2,673 also getting reached here, because, yeah, you can be clearly seeing here left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder getting formed here. And after that, we were seeing a breakthrough of the neckline, and the volatility was getting created. So, yeah, we can be looking for higher prices for Ethereum as well here. Also, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is, of course, seeing this increase, and that is of course making me feel very exciting. We were bouncing from this critical level of support over here, as you can see, previous major levels of support over here right away, yeah, providing a support at the exact moment that we are currently trading on. So yeah, this looks very exciting, and we can be looking for some higher prices anytime soon for this one as well, because yeah, we also broke through this blue box of resistance. You can see here the previous resistance, here it was providing a support, and I was thinking, okay, maybe we can be finding a major level of resistance once again around the 6.2 1.2% for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. But yeah, we just closed above it, and right away, right now we are retesting it as support, and we can be maybe heading once again towards this golden pocket entry. And of course, if we're heading towards the golden pocket entry, this will be still another increase of an 11%, guys. So and this was already the video for today, guys. I will be trying to make another update later today on the channel here. I just came home here. I will be, looking at my things at my home as well here. But I thought, okay, first I want to be making an update for you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to let me know in the comment section. And as well, guys, don't forget to ring the bell notification. And of course, smash up that subscriber count here. Let's go for the 47K today here. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out.